Hello friends, in this video we learn how to convert a binary number into its decimal equivalent. So let's say we have a binary number 110101 and we need to find its decimal equivalent. So what we'll do is we'll write the numbers from right to left as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each of these digits. We'll multiply this digit with 2 raised to power this value. So we have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4 plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2, then plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1, then plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0. Since multiplying any number with 0 results in 0, we only consider the terms which are being multiplied by 1. So we'll have 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5 is 32 plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4 is 16 plus 1 2 raised to power 2 is 4 plus 1 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 1 into 32 32 plus 1 into 16 16 plus 1 into 4 4 plus 1 into 1 1. So on adding all these values we get 53. Therefore the decimal equivalent of binary number 110101 is 53. Now let's see if you can find out the decimal equivalent of this binary digit. Write down your answers in the comment section. So that's how we convert binary into decimal number. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.